There's the space for our gate. That section on the left is going to be our 5 foot by 4 foot gate. Our first job was to go ahead and cut the sections, about 59-inch top pieces and 4 foot side pieces. To check square on that, we go measure corner to corner, and if that measurement is the same in both directions, which it is, then you know it's square. Alright, so we're tracing out a diagonal board. We're going to have diagonals go from each corner for support. Alright, so now we're going to mark out the second cross brace in the opposite direction. And once that's marked out, this will be stable and we can go to hanging it. Ready, Freddy.
Subscribe, people. Little piece of wood in my pocket.
Alright, we'll put those shims in there to give it a space so we can mount the hinges. But there's that was a planned for space all the way through. Alright, so it's good and level. And we screwed it in right there to mount it to the post. Right now, while the gate is attached to either side post, we're laying down the boards across there, and we've got a 2-inch gap between boards. That's the look that we're going for. And then we got to go ahead and stack all the boards up this whole side first before we can attach them to the gate. All right, here's the hardware kit that we got. Comes with a pair of hinges, your hardware mounting tools, your bolt, handle, and your latch mechanism. All right, so we've got the gate framed out and it's all attached on either side, and you can see there's a gap here. So we're gonna cut that line. Same on this side. You can see the gap there, and it goes all the way between the actual frame of the fence gate and the fence post. And we're gonna cut this line as well all the way down. And we're gonna cut, this is where the hinges are gonna go on this side. And so we'll cut those free first, attach the hinges, and then we'll cut the rest of the lines. All right, so we cut through all the boards and now it opens. Now all we have to do is attach the latch. And so this is going to go on like that. Go.
Well, I hope this video helps. If you got anything out of it, give us a thumbs up. Be sure and share it, and don't forget to subscribe. We've got lots more videos coming. See you next time.